If you've heard of CFA as a qualification, तो definitely आपने FRM के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा, right? हर स्टूडेंट के माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन आता है यार CFA और FRM में डिफरेंस क्या है? इसकी जर्नी एज अ क्वालिफिकेशन कैसी है, इसकी जर्नी एज अ सर्टिफिकेशन कैसी है, एंड वेयर डू बोथ ऑफ देम टिपिकली लैंड यू? ओके, अगर आपके भी माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन है, देन यू नीड टू वॉच दिस वीडियो. बाय द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो यू विल बी डैम क्लियर कि मुझे CFA करना है, FRM करना है, या मुझे CFA प्लस FRM करना है. ठीक है, सो वॉच टिल द वेरी एंड. CFA versus FRM. Now, the CFA as a qualification is awarded by the CFA Institute, which is Chartered Financial Analyst, right? We're headquartered in the US. On the other hand, FRM is Financial Risk Manager. That's a certification which is awarded by the JARP. That's the Global Association of Risk Professionals, again headquartered in the US. CFA, अगर आप देखें तो it's basically a rigorous qualification with gold standard in investment analysis and portfolio management. On the other hand, FRM, as the term suggests, the whole focus is basically managing risks, right? Now let's understand the eligibility of these qualifications. You can start your CFA typically after class 12. So you can start preparing whilst in your first year, but you can write the first level exam only when you're in your second year of graduation. Then you move to level 2, which you write in your third year of graduation. And then you write level 3 exams, which is typically after your graduation. So this qualification takes about 3 to 3.5 years to finish the 3 levels. And then once you add 4,000 hours of real work experience, you are awarded the CFA charter. You become a charter holder basically, okay? On the other hand, if you look at FRM, it's quite a shorter certification. Now, वहाँ पे आपको basically 2 exams करना होता है, which typically take about 12 odd months. And then you need to add 2 years of work experience to get the FRM certification. Also, just to add, FRM typically can be done immediately after your class 12, okay? Now, let's get to exams. So CFA exams are completely online and there are multiple entry points. जैसे आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो, लेवल 1 एग्जाम्स साल में 4 बार होती है, लेवल 2 एग्जाम साल में 3 बार होती है, and level 3 exams happen typically twice a year. Okay. On the other hand, FRM exams are also completely online and they also happen in 3 sessions in the year, as again you can see on your screens. Now, what do you study in these, qualifications? So if you look at the CFA qualification, the whole focus is around investment analysis and portfolio management. So you typically will study subjects like professional ethics, equity markets, fixed income securities, derivatives, portfolio management, economics, corporate issuers, and so on. And the subjects remain similar, only the difficulty level keeps increasing level after level, right? On the other hand, if you look at the FRM curriculum, it's very focused on risk measurement and risk management. So there are 2 parts, and as you can see on your screens, the topics are typically spread between part 1 and part 2, and like you will see, the whole focus is around how do you measure and manage various kinds of financial risks. Now let's talk about jobs and packages. Now, as a CFA charter holder, you can look at jobs across the BFSI, whether it's commercial banks, NBFCs, mutual fund companies, investment banks, wealth management, and you can look at jobs around, as a portfolio manager, as an analyst, as an investment officer. So everything to do with investment analysis and portfolio management being the core focus area. On the other hand, if you look at FRM, now having got this certification, you are an expert at somebody who knows how to measure, manage, mitigate risks, right? So all the jobs are sort of focused on risk profiles, and you can find application extensively in BFSI. So banks, NBFCs, again AMCs, credit rating agencies, a lot of private equity funds that invest a lot of wealth, because there is where you need to really manage and understand how risks are going to be measured from time to time. So again, you find application extensively in the BFSI. Now, if you look at packages, it's generally seen that once you've completed your 3 levels of CFA, you can typically look at packages anywhere between 7 to 9 lakhs. And once you have those 4,000 hours of work experience and you become a CFA charter holder, you could look at packages upwards of 10, 12 lakhs and so on. And compared to that, if you look at FRM, we've usually seen that if you've completed the FRM certification and you have your 2 years of work experience, which is mandatory, you can look at packages upwards of 5 to 6 lakhs. Now, lastly, what is the kind of investment that you need to pursue these courses? So if you look at the CFA qualification, if you add the registration and the exam costs, which you need to pay the CFA Institute, and your coaching costs, all in all, you need an investment of anywhere between 4 to 4.5 lakhs. And for the FRM, again, if you add your coaching cost and your exam cost, you need an investment of anywhere between 2 to 2.5 lakhs. Now, if you have more questions on how to start your CFA journey or FRM journey, whether CFA is better for you or FRM is better for you, or is the combination stunning and where does it lead you? We'll answer all of these. Please reach out to us on the numbers flashing on your screens and get your counseling done today.